In the previous video, we succeeded in exporting, dumping the file in the source server, and then we transported the file using secure copy to the destination server. And of course, we have to be in the right directory, which Oracle recognizes. So we use that query to find out what's our DataPump directory. Now, again, I say, the directory doesn't always have to be called DataPump directory. You can create yours. In Lab05A, you will create yours. All right, so now the file is here. Now we need to import. Let's go back and take a look at our lab, what it recommends. So the import, watch this, now pay attention to this. When we exported, we used Cloud Control, Enterprise Manager. When we are importing, we could use Enterprise Manager, but I want to use command line. So I start showing you how to do this on the command line. This is the command right there. I'm going to copy it and drop it in Notepad so you can see it well. Here is the detail. Import DP is the command. If this was export, it would be exp DP, export DataPump. The username that is going to be doing the import export and the password. So this is how to do it, and then you put the password right there. But I don't want to show my password, so I put only the username, and it will ask me for password. What directory are we using? DataPump directory. Remember, that's what we use. What tables are we importing? HR, account master, and HR job grade, 2 tables. What is the dump file called? The dump file is called export data, your name. Okay, now let me replace that with the actual name of the dump file. So the dump file is called this, right there. That's the dump file. Make sure you get it right, otherwise the command will fail. Here's the dump file. So on the command line, I have supplied all that information. Now, do you want a log file to be created? Yeah, I'm going to do a log file. Let me move this to the next line so you can see. Log file. Import that, my name. There you go. All that information that was put in the Enterprise Manager has been put. See that? So we're going to take this command. We're going to run it on the command line. And by the way, it is not uppercase I, it is lowercase. Unix is very picky about uppercase, lowercase. So it's import. Copy that. We are importing it in the source environment. Agree? We already confirmed that that table doesn't exist. What is? Let's go back. Remember the query that returned that there's no such table. So now, when I run the import, paste that, it asks me for the password for the system user. And I'm going to supply it. Hopefully I remember it. Invalid. Remember, you are the sysdba. You can always change anybody's password. There we go. There we go. What this? He said, I have started importing it. I've seen those 2 tables. One has 1 row. The second has 6 rows. I'm bringing in, and then look at the index to this table is created on the fly. it doesn't want to show my password. It said, this is the command you gave me. That all that information you gave me, this is it. So this will be in the log file that is produced. So now, done, completed, job successful, completed. So if I do an ls right now, the log file has been created, and this is the file I can always tell Sheol, please, can you check if that DataPump job is still going or has completed, you know, so I can cut it, copy paste, and there you go. Now let's go and confirm that that table is here. Remember, we didn't have that table, so let's do that query again. Select from HR, right click, paste. That table should exist. What this? Look at that. Account master now is here. Job grade is here. Let me do a select star from account master. Oh, sorry, HR account master, because I'm logged in as the sys user. Account master has one record. So I have successfully used the import-export utility, otherwise known as DataPump, which is a more recent name. It used to be called import-export utility, but Oracle calls it DataPump now. It's been revamped. DataPump can disconnect and connect to a long-running job. DataPump can be paused and resumed. I can track the process of a DataPump job by querying $long_ops. It's a $$ table called $long_ops, long operation. So I have successfully imported the table from the database PTPort to the database FMIS. Same way you can move a whole schema. In Lab05B, you will use Oracle 12c DataPump with advanced options, including DataPump parameter file to import database object. And then you will use SQL loader to move data from an external source into Oracle. Also, in Lab5C, you will create a database link between a database and another one, and you will move data across them through that bridge. So you will not be doing transporting. Oracle will use its bridge that you just created to move the data. Any questions so far? Any question? Now, go ahead.
No.
DataPump has a lot of parameters. These are just the basic, the dump file, the log, the directory, and all that. All right, without any question, we will round up that session, and then the next lab, we will talk about SQL loader and advanced option. Thank you so much for giving me audience. So basically, this is what we have done. We moved the table account master to FMIS via 5 steps. Export it, dump it in the source directory, transport it, dump it in the destination directory, import it. Thank you.